Welcome back, crypto crew. It's your boy Tom here, bringing you the hottest Bitcoin action. Please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Don't forget to come on over to X and follow us on X, where we talk about Bitcoin and altcoins all day, every day, 24 hours a day. There is a massive leveraged short position on Bitcoin right now, 40 times leverage. Now, if Bitcoin smashes through 85,000, 86,000, that short's toast, liquidation city. Now, this boy has placed a huge amount of short in the marketplace, and hey, that's his prerogative, right? That's what makes markets, buyers and sellers. Now, I want to also add another take on this. Um, perhaps he's done something in options that we just can't see. Now, that could be a possibility because as a professional trader, I know that you could hedge this position actually with options for a small fraction of the cost of a cash market. And what is he potentially just trying to scare the market? Is it a scare tactic so he could drive price down so he can get his out of the money options in play so that when we do break this 85,600 level, 86,000 level, boom, he's actually not really short. He's actually long and his options are taking care of him. I don't know. It's just an idea. It's something that we should look at as well because not all things are as they appear to be in markets. That's for sure. But right now, we have to really think about, are we gearing up for a breakout or a shakeout? Well, the first thing of chart I want to bring you into is, I don't know why that's a 1 minute time frame. I don't need that. But right now, we have a breakout basically really right where that whale is in trouble, and 86,000 really could send us off really up to higher levels. And that's what we're looking for. Now, here's the whale position push. And I want to point that out. Okay, right now we had a low of what? 76,600. If this guy gets in the money, he's going to add to his position. So it's going to be pretty massive. So this is really where the shakeout could occur. But there are massive buyers in lower levels. So he's going to have a lot of adversity down there. So really, this is the play right now. Everybody's focused on this guy, and it's important to be focused on him because really does he know something we don't know? Is he in the know somehow? Is somebody going to make a statement that's going to basically push this market down? Could be, or he could be just taking a huge speculative position, but also hedging that position with options. So we just have to stay cautious, but we're really looking for the breakout to occur on the upside and drive Bitcoin up. So just watch the market, watch the price action. Okay. So this is a wild short position. Some big players, that 40% leverage is betting heavy that Bitcoin's going to crash. But like I said, they're not messing around. They're all in. However, we don't know if he took an option strategy on this. So, what did he do? He could have done an iron butterfly. He could have done so many different, option strategy positions that we're just not seeing out in the marketplace because you can only see, what's actually in on the cash position, right? So the whale's shorting hard, but that 76,600, they're going to cash in. Like I said, that's where they're basically going to really start to add position because really in trading, when you're in the money, you press on the gas. You don't let off because he's looking at 58,000. This dude, I think that's a little bit really irrationally exuberant. But hey, a market's a marketplace. But let's talk about what's going on. That's actually saying that no, this is really probably not the scenario. If we look at Bitcoin itself, 1 week time frame, we have a bullish crossover in the RSI, stochastic, and last time we had this, we pumped 97%. And guess what? The breakout occurs really on this on the longer term, right at the old high at like 109. Okay, but we definitely have support. This is where this dude is looking to take some, profits back, 68,000 and even as far down as 58. But like I said, I don't know if he's going to be able to do it. And I don't know if really has placed any options on this. But Bitcoin chart is showing the exact same moves as gold. And I'm going to show you that right here. We got our boy Frank that actually puts this stuff together. And it's quite amazing, Gold itself down here, basically it had a fake out and then went to all-time highs, and it's still rallying. Now, we have the Fed also talking about interest rates next week. They don't expect any type of rate cut to occur, but you have to listen to the statements. If they get a little bit dovish on the statements, that's going to basically fuel the altcoin market. It's also going to fuel the Bitcoin market, and it's just going to add some gasoline to a fire, that we need really right now to actually pump us up. So, gold, had a blast off once it broke its key level. Bitcoin's lining up the same way if that 76,600 line in the sand holds. Now, we have original short-term support point at 80,000. That would be like a warning level for us. Like if we break in 80,000, oh man, this guy's maybe even starting to add to his position earlier. So we just have to be cognizant of that. So, the smart money's on edge. I'm going to take you over to X one more time. We got some good posts here. We have this. Look at MicroStrategy. He just did the impossible. Saylor turned 500 million in Bitcoin into $1 billion gain with, pure stock wizardry. The guy is incredible. I would put him up there, like in the ranks of Paul Tudor Jones. If you don't know who that guy is, look him up. He's an incredible trader. He's an old world trader. I believe he's retired right now. But, we're really like basically showing that Ethereum in deep discount mode, pain is temporary, bounce is ready to happen. I really want to also point to, wow, that girl is really pretty. But anyway, I'm a little bit too old for her, I would think. But we got hidden divergence on Bitcoin. We've been showing that. It's a bullish divergence. It's hidden. It's flashed out on the weekly charts. If you're still bearish, just think again. Okay, we're looking to really load up on any type of dip, and we got that whale that we're concerned with. Let's see what happens to that guy. So, really, right now, here's the deal, crew. Smart money's on edge. Bitcoin powers through 85,000. We could, see that liquidation occur right here and start to force the marketplace is going to have that fear of missing out. People are going to jump in this thing, and we're going up to that all-important resistance level of 92 to 97,000, which would be just fantastic because we would basically be starting lower bottoms at that point, looking for a rally up top. But if that whale flips the script below 76,000, brace for a sell-off because this is crypto high-risk, high-reward game, right? So what's your play? Are you riding the wave? Are you like just watching from the sidelines? Drop a comment. Let us know below. And remember, always, if you're a short-term trader, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.